Hello friends, and welcome back to Miss Jessica's Art Club. My name is Miss Jessica and I am so excited for our project today. Since school is out and summer is here, I thought the turtle project would be a perfect project to start our summer. This turtle, however, is made out of paper plates. You most likely have all the supplies in your kitchen for this project, so let's get started.
Hello friends, we are starting off with 2 paper plates of any kind, some leftover cardboard, and scissors. I also have a stapler here. So we are going to staple our 2 paper plates together, or tape or glue. I think tape and the stapler is going to be the best bet. Then with our cardboard, you are going to draw a head, a tail, and 4 legs. Next, you are going to arrange the head, tail, and legs as such. They fit perfect right in the seam of our paper plates that we have going on here. So again, you can either use staples or tape. Whichever you have on hand will work perfect. And our next step is painting. So we pretty much have this blank canvas and a animal shape out of this. So you do not have to paint it like I'm painting mine. I decided to go a more realistic route. But if you have littles who are finger painting, this is a great time to just let them loose and decorate their turtle and shell however they'd like. So I am just adding a little darker green around the edge, and then the main part I am doing with darker brown. But like I said, it does not have to look like mine. I hope it doesn't look like mine, because that is the fun of creating art, is showing your individuality and creating things that have never been created before. So I hope y'all take your creative freedom with this project and go wild. Once I finished up here, I added some googly eyes and some yellow detail on the shell.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you loved creating these sea turtles as much as I did. I hope everybody has a great start to their summer. Be sure to check back for more videos from Miss Jessica's Art Club. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye friends! See you next time!